Welcome to our tutorial on how to clear Instagram cache on your Android device. Follow these simple steps to free up some space and improve the performance of the Instagram app. First, go to your device's settings. This can usually be found in the app drawer or by swiping down and selecting the gear icon. Next, find and tap on Apps in the settings menu. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list and look for Instagram. Once you find it, tap on it to open the Instagram app settings. Within the Instagram app settings, tap on Storage. This will show you how much space the app is taking up on your device. Finally, at the bottom right of the screen, tap on Clear Cache. This will delete all the temporary files and data that Instagram has stored on your device. And that's it. You have successfully cleared the Instagram cache on your Android device. This can help free up storage space and potentially improve the performance of the app. Thanks for watching.